Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to organize teams and members. With BoostNote, you can have multiple teams and add as many members as you need. If you want to collaborate with other members, these tutorials would be helpful for you. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with creating a new team. To do that, you need to click your current team name and then click the Create a New Team. You will see this Create Your Own Team page, so put your team name and type your team URL. After you filled out this form, click Create. Now you will be in your new team. You can always switch your team by clicking the team name and choose a different one. If you want to edit the team information, go to Settings and Members. After you saw this model, click Team menu from the sidebar. You can edit your team name and team icon from there. If you want to delete this team, you can also delete from the bottom of this section. But please make sure if it's alright to do that or not, because once you deleted this team, BoostNote will remove all associated data and there is no turning back. Now let's add a new member to your team. Members can access and edit all of the documents in your public workspace but cannot do anything with the team management and billing. To invite a new member, go to Settings and Members again. In Members section, you can choose inviting by open link or email, so use one of these options as you may. The member who got your invitation will see this page and they can choose either sign in with Google, GitHub, or email. Once a new member has joined in, you will see that person's name in the current members area. You can change the access level or remove the person from here too. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or found it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in your videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day!